If you're tired of having a messy, unorganized suitcase as you travel, then you should probably watch this video. I was gifted these packing cubes for suitcases, and they are so awesome. They came in a pack of 8, and you can use them for anything from toiletries to clothes and more. Not only do they maximize space in your suitcase, but they also leave your suitcase organized, which is such a good feeling when you're traveling away from home. One thing I used to dread about traveling was needing something for my suitcase and having to tear the entire thing apart. Now that I have these, I will never have to worry about that again, and it's such a good feeling. I'm also definitely an overpacker, as I like to be prepared for the worst, but these make it so I can pack whatever I need and maximize my suitcase space. If you're an overpacker like me, then you probably know what it's like to stuff your suitcase to the point that you can barely zip it, but these help so much with that. They're made of a nice, durable, breathable material, and they're just so great to have on hand, especially if you're somebody that travels a lot. Another thing I dread when coming home from vacation is dirty laundry, but this set came with a laundry bag, making it so convenient to wash your laundry as soon as you get home. As someone who loves to be organized and loves traveling, I am so happy with this packing cube set. They help you stay organized and are such a time saver and space saver, and I highly recommend them.